Welcome to 25th Street in the beautiful city of Hermosa Beach. This unique 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the rear of a duplex is one of the most interesting places you'll see today. As we walk in to this large, expansive living room with fireplace, high ceilings, wood beam, beautiful windows adding light and air from the fresh ocean breezes, and a ceiling fan, hardwood floors with direct access to the backyard, into this kitchen with hardwood cabinets, vintage ceramic tile countertops, built-in desk and built-in eating area with a gas range and stainless steel refrigerator. The saltillo tile throughout this area adds beauty to the unit, and this full bathroom with a separate shower tub is convenient. To the left of the bathroom is the laundry room with washer-dryer hookups. As you go down the hallway with added storage to the first bedroom, which has a ceiling fan and a large closet and two-tone paint and hardwood floors. And the second larger bedroom, also with a ceiling fan, two-tone paint, hardwood floors, and even a larger closet, and direct access to the quiet private backyard with artificial turf, mature trees, fully gated, perfect area for a barbecue over behind the fireplace. If you exit out that gate, there's another private gate just for you to go to the Valley Park. If you're interested in viewing, go to jamico.com.